5 best free home design apps for Android. So if you want the 5 best free home design apps for your Android, then here are some. You need to just open up your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you can go with search, and under search you can search for Room Planner. So this is the first application. In this you can add your rooms, you can design your space for planning, decor and inspiration. It has 30 million users, and you will also have the bed, all the furniture. You can design your own room, your home. You can make sure everything is fitting. You can pick your favorite color. You can create a floor plan with accurate measurements and furniture. You can share your ideas and get reaction from the community. You can change your room's style with the AI. So this is the best application. Now the second one is Planner 5D. This is the second application. This is also the best application and the free application for home designing apps. You will have realistic 2D and 3D room designs. You can customize everything in detail. You'll have the floor plan and the room plan. You can decorate your room with different styles. Third one is HomeStyler. This is also the best application. You can install this application. You can try the 3D designs. You'll have the video option. You can upload your floor plan. You can discover new communities. It's also the best choice, and it's also free. Now the fourth one is Floor Plan Creator, which is this one. This is the application. You can also use this application for free home designing. Here you can simply draw the walls. You can draw everything with your hand, and you can adjust every inch and every part. You can use the remote version. You'll have the demo plan. And the fifth one, or the last one, is DrawPlan. It's also the best and free home design apps. You can create your floor plans. It becomes effortless. You can draw professional looking planes in minutes. You can use it easily. You can save and export your plans. So these are the 5 best free home design apps for your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.